Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss top 20 current affairs MCQ questions of 13 May 2025. This video will be very helpful for your examination, so watch the video till end and subscribe my channel or also press the bell icon so that you receive notification of every video. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Question 1. Marking a decade of the center's low-cost social security drive, which drive-off schemes collectively brand Jan Suraksha celebrated their 10-year milestone on 9 May 2025. Correct answer is option B. PMSBY, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, PMJJBY, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, and APY, Atal Pension Yojana. Question number 2. In a unanimous 10 May 2025 decision, the FIFA Council voted to expand the FIFA Women's World Cup to 48 teams, starting with which edition? Correct answer is option B. 2031 tournament. Question 3. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated a state-of-the-art BrahMos aerospace integration and testing facility, the largest for the supersonic cruise missile system, on 11 May 2025 in which Indian city? Correct answer option D. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Question 4. ISRO's upcoming Earth Observation Satellite EOS-09 RISAT-1B carrying a C-band SAR imager is scheduled to launch aboard PSLV C-61 from Sriharikota at 06:59 IST on which date? Correct answer is option B. 18 May 2025. Question 5. India's first hydrogen fuel cell powered heavy truck intended to haul coal in a mining logistics pilot was introduced on 12 May 2025 by which conglomerate? Correct answer is option C. Adani Enterprises. Question 6. The pilot deployment of the hydrogen truck mentioned above is taking place in which Indian state's Raipur district? Correct answer is option D. Chhattisgarh. Question 7. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar on 9 May 2025 released the Hindi autobiography Janta Ki Kahani Meri Atmakatha, who authored this political memoir. Correct answer is option B. Bandaru Dattatreya. Question 8. At the World Jurist Association's World Law Congress 4 to 6 May 2025, Dominican Republic, which Indian child rights advocate became the first Indian lawyer ever to receive the WJS Medal of Honor for 2 decades of PILs against child trafficking and child marriage. Correct answer is option C. Bhuvan Pribhu. Question 9. India commemorates the 1998 Pokhran 2nd nuclear tests, codenamed Operation Shakti, by observing National Technology Day each year on which date? Correct answer is option B. 11 May. Question 10. After earlier outbreaks in 2018 and 2021, which Kerala district again reported a fresh Nipah virus case on 9 May 2025, prompting micro-containment in Valankari municipality? Correct answer is option B. Malappuram. Question 11. Confronting regional tensions, which country's Islamic Revolutionary Guard unveiled a 1200-kilometer range solid fuel Qasim Basir ballistic missile on 4 May 2025? Correct answer is option A. Iran. Question 12. Marketed as the MENA region's largest cybersecurity meet, GISEC Global 2025, 6 to 8 May, opened at which UAE venue? Correct answer is option C, Dubai World Trade Center. Question 13. The 2025 Pulitzer Prize for Public Service Journalism top honor went to which non-profit newsroom for its Life of the Mother investigation on abortion law delays in maternal care? Correct answer is option C, ProPublica. Question 14. Following the US Convention, Mother's Day 2025 in India was celebrated on which Sunday of May? Correct answer is option B, second Sunday of May. Question 15. International Nurses Day, marking Florence Nightingale's birth anniversary, is celebrated globally on. Correct answer is option B, 12 May. Question 16. Public-private project Noida Jungle Trail, touted as the country's first waste-to-wildlife park with scrap metal animal sculptures and a jungle safari zone, was announced in May 2025 near which landmark? Correct answer is option B, Mahamaya Flyover, Noida. Question 17. The United Nations backed International Day of Plant Health, a legacy of the 2020 IYPH, aims to link crop security with the SDGs. On what date is it observed each year? Correct answer is option C, 12 May. Question 18. To mark the 80th anniversary of World War II victory, 9 May 2025, Russia hosted which foreign leader as guest of honor at the Victory Day parade on Moscow Red Square? Correct answer is option B, Xi Jinping. Question 19. The May 2025 International OICA report showed India producing 6 million vehicles in 2024, overtaking Japan. What is India's new global rank in vehicle production? Correct answer option B, third. Question 20. Despite market swings, which cryptocurrency retained the world's highest market capitalization, US $1.2 trillion in May 2025? Correct answer is option D, Bitcoin. Thanks for watching.